What's up, babes? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Angel. So if this is your first time tuning into my channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button so you can become a part of the gang, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any more of my uploads. So in today's video, we are going to be doing a super simple makeup look. Like no eyeshadow, nothing too crazy, something really natural. So if you guys would like to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. So I just put on some of my BackTalk. This is everything from my lips. I love me some BackTalk, you guys. It's a really good primer for when you want your lips to just feel really moisturized. Like BackTalk over Carmex all day, every day, period. So my face is already primed, my brows are already done, and my eyelids are already primed. Y'all, I sound so raspy and so sleepy. Like, I literally just woke up. Last night was a long night, sis. So I'm like, I'm tired. But y'all, let's just talk about these brows, and let's just appreciate these brows. Like, I did my brows really good today. I have my days where I do my brows really good, and I have my days where, you know, they just there, sis. But it seems like I need to sharpen my pencil more often so that they can be really precise. And as you guys know, I don't really apply concealer above them. That's just doing too much. When I do makeup, I do that, but for myself, I don't. Sis ain't gonna do all that, okay? So for foundation, I am going to be using Fenty Beauty. I had to remember to shake this foundation up because something weird happened last time. I don't know what happened, but it kind of settled in my smile lines a little bit, and we can't have that. But it does say shake well. It does say shake well. So, yeah. And I'm really doing nothing for the eyes, for real, you guys. I want a super natural, no makeup, you know, minimal makeup type of look. I just want to do something. I want to get kind of cute. Oh, and I already primed my face using my Smashbox Pore Minimizing Primer. Y'all know I always start off looking like a Oompa Loompa with this Fenty Beauty. But once everything is done, it is super warm and super gorgeous. And for concealer, I am using a real deal throwback. So this is the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and this is in the shade Cool Tan. I forgot to mention that I actually got some new lighting here. So I feel like when I hold up products and show y'all stuff, like my lighting is not going in and out, like it's not getting dark. Like, it's just a lot more brighter in here. Brighter on my monitor. Like, the video quality just looks 10 times better. So thumbs up this video because I'm working behind the scenes for y'all, and I'm working. I'm trying to get this good content out for y'all. So thumbs up this video for my effort and me investing in myself, my brand, and getting y'all some good quality videos, sis. I have not used this concealer underneath my eyes. It's felt like it's been a minute. Like, it's really been a hot minute. But nevertheless, it is a really good concealer. I kind of stopped using it. Not that it was bad or anything, of course, because clearly I'm still using it. I just mainly use these concealers for my brows, like to clean up the brow area, even on my clients. Sometimes I'll use them underneath the eyes, but I do have some other favorites that I like for underneath the eyes. This one, like I said, is still a good one. It's just other products, other new makeup has come out since. So it's kind of like this one has been put on the back burner a little bit. And then I'm just going to take some of my DermaBlend powder. I feel like it's been a minute since I've used this one. So I'm going to take a little bit of this, and I'm going to set the areas that are highlighted. So I'm taking the Loreal Infallible powder, and we're just going to go ahead and snatch up this nose real quick. So I actually was just going to go ahead and leave my eyes bare, but I think I'm also going to take a little bit of this powder just to kind of give my eyes some definition. I'm just going to take some of this powder and blend it on my eyelids and in my crease area. And a little eyeshadow, especially if you're doing nose contour, is really going to help blend into the beginning of the nose contour right here. So that's why I'm doing it, so it won't look super crazy or not natural. And then I'm just going to set the rest of my face using my black Radiance Soft Focus powder. And then for my contour, I'm just going to be taking this NickaK Duo Contour Palette. And I love this little palette, you guys. Like, it's just crazy good. I am going to take a little bit of this darker shade. I don't really use this shade often, but I do like it like right in this area, just to kind of deepen up things just a little bit. And that just kind of deepened it up just a little bit. I almost went crazy with it, so I had to take my powder and kind of powder it down, but we good. I think we safe now. See, that's why it's not good for me to overdo stuff, because it just gets out of control completely. So next I'm going to take the Saharan blush palette. This is the volume 2, and I think I'm going to use this shade right here. And then for highlighter, I'm just taking this Wet n Wild highlighter. This one is the loose highlighter. It's in Hustle and Glow. I love this so much, you guys. Like, this highlighter is everything. So next I'm just going to pop on my lashes, and the lashes that I'm using are by Aliexpress, and these are the E11s. So these are really natural, they're really flirty and wispy. This is a great beginner lash, like if you're just getting into minks or trying to start wearing mink lashes, this is a really good start. So now that my lash is on, I'm just going to go ahead and fill in my mole. And then I'm going to take some of this mascara and put it on my top and bottom lashes. And because my jumpsuit has like some pink and peaches in it, I'm going to go ahead and use this NYX lip liner in Club Popper. So we're going to go for a pink lip. And then I'm just taking Urban Decay lipstick, their Comfort Matte one in the shade BackTalk. Oh, this is pretty. I was going for a more nude pink, but sis, it's been a minute since I had a pink, and this is pretty. And y'all, I brought like 3 lip glosses to my table. I was like, look, like, I have got to be put to a stop. I was like, no, 2 only. I do this every time. I don't know if I want to put this one on. It's a little darker. I'm really liking the color that the lipstick is already. But it's only has like a slight tint to it. But I like it has glitter in it. I like the glitter in it, you guys. Everything else is pretty much matte. I don't have any eyeshadow going on. So I feel like my lips can be the most. And then I also have this e.l.f. Lip Plumping Gloss. Both of these glosses are my favorite. Decisions. Ooh, I'm going with this one. And I'm not going to use too much because it does have a little tint. And I don't want to change up the color that my lips are already. Y'all get what I'm trying to say. So this is pretty much it for this look. Super simple, super easy, and super basic. If you guys enjoy makeup looks like this that are super natural, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. And if you like the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button so you can become a part of the gang. Remember to be blessed, follow your dreams, and I will see you guys in my next video.